What's up mga ka-tripulants? It's me, Cap Miko once again. At andito na naman po tayo para sa isa na namang makabuluhan na vlog. At ang pag-uusapan naman natin ngayon ay ang 3 kaugalian na kailangang meron ka upang ikaw ay maging isang successful na marino. Number 1, pakikisama. Because it allows individuals to build a strong bonds and also work together towards a common goals and foster a supportive environment. Masarap magtrabaho if you feel accepted and valued. Pangalawa, behavior or attitude. Sometimes it is greater than knowledge mga katripulants. Dahil sa buhay, maraming pagkakataon na sumasablay ang kaalaman at dun ka nila makikilala kung paano mo i-handle ang sitwasyon, how you are going to react, because behavior can handle everything. Pangatlo, respeto. You must have a self-respect in order for you to gain respect from others, especially when you are working with multinational crew. You must learn to respect other people, cultures, and beliefs. So ayan po mga ka-tripulants, again this is Cap Miko. Sana po ay may natutunan na naman tayong bago sa vlog na ito. At hanggang sa muli, magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod na vlog. God bless and safe seas always. Peace.